Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the COUNTIFS function in Microsoft Excel. To do this, we need to make sure that we have a sample data or any data that you have right now. Next, since we want to answer these questions, we can easily determine that we need the COUNTIFS function with regards to these questions, as they are asking how many are the data available that meets these criterias. To get started, let's type the COUNTIFS function. Once typed, go ahead and put an open parenthesis to start the criterias. For the first term, it's asking us a criteria range. To satisfy the term, we must select the array or data that we are going to count from. So in this case, if we're looking for laptops, then it should be under the products column. Go ahead and select the data under products column. Once done, insert comma to go to the next term. For the next term, it's asking us a criteria on which we are going to use as a reference on the data we are going to count. To do so, let's go ahead and put quotation marks, followed by an equal sign to know that we are asking for the exact value or string from the list or array that we selected. Since we're looking for laptops, let's put laptop. Finish it off with a quotation mark and a close parenthesis. Press enter. There we go. Now, it said that we have 4 laptops available. Let's go ahead and manually count that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To proceed to the next question, this is where the COUNTIFS function excels compared to the COUNTIF function, which is the singular version for this condition or function. To do so, let's go ahead and type COUNTIFS again. Now, since we're asking for 2022 phones, let's go ahead and choose the year's data for our criteria range 1. Next, we should indicate the year that we're looking for, which is 2022. Just do the same format as we did earlier so you won't be lost within this tutorial. Now that we've done that, let's not use the close parentheses yet, but go towards the second criteria range by using the comma. Now it's asking us for a criteria range 2. Since we're looking for phones, go ahead and select the product column. Separate it with a comma and type the second criteria, which is phones. And then close it with a closing parenthesis. Press enter. We misspelled the phones bit. You can see that this function is spelling sensitive since it's going for the exact match instead of approximate. So go ahead and correct the second criteria by removing the letter S. And there we go. This is how we use the COUNTIFS function for Microsoft Excel.